So now we have Kraken started requiring users from the UK to verify their self-custodial crypto wallets. I don't know about you guys, but I do know about me. And I have been receiving text messages nonstop from Kraken saying, if you got your assets in Kraken, take them out because of where you are based. I'm based in the US. Of where you are based, you cannot like be in crypto. Like you cannot be in Kraken. You cannot have like your crypto in Kraken because we're outside of the US. I actually never had crypto in Kraken, never, not once. I just opened up an account because I thought that maybe this would be good for the future. Turns out I was right to not put anything into Kraken because what is going on? Crypto exchange Kraken now requires UK users to verify self-custodial wallets or validate wallet identities referring to local regulations. According to an X post published by James Van Straten, analyst at CryptoState, the US headquartered crypto exchange Kraken has started requiring its users from the UK to verify their self-custodial wallets referring to regulations in the UK. Oh, the UK's finished, surveillance state it is. Hello, regulations in the UK require that we maintain up-to-date information about our clients and their account activity regarding self-custody wallets. A self-custody wallet is one where you manage your private keys yourself, for example, a hardware wallet. Please reply to this email and answer the following questions. Please confirm that you own or are in control of the self-custodial wallet that you are sending and receiving from. If you do not own or control the self-custodial wallets that you are sending and receiving from, please detail which addresses these are, who the owner or controller is, and provide their residential address. After you reply, our support team will make sure to clarify any questions you have and ensure the process runs smoothly. If we do not receive a response by February 23rd, 2024, we will have to place a lock on your account until we obtain the information we requested. Later, Kraken support confirmed sending out requests to its users from the UK, although the specific regulations necessitating this action were not disclosed. Hello, regulations in the UK require that we maintain up-to-date information about our clients and their account activity regarding self-custody wallet. Oh, like this was the same thing. Okay, so adding this is here is to show it's a legitimate email. Hi there, we can confirm that this is a legitimate email sent by Kraken. Thank you, Kraken support. Wow, the email shared by Van Straten outlines the details of Kraken's request, which includes users confirming ownership of or control of self-custodial wallets used for cryptocurrency transactions. Additionally, users are required to provide information about external self-custodial wallets and the residential address associated with the owner of a crypto address. Failure to comply with these requirements by February 23rd will result in a ban from the exchange until the necessary information is provided, the email reads. Kraken's latest move aligns with a broader trend among crypto exchanges to map out external crypto addresses with which their customers interact. Bitstamp, a European crypto exchange, also started following a similar approach in early 2021, citing new regulations from the Dutch government. Yes, this is real. People in the Netherlands now have to KYC their withdrawal addresses. Let's read it. Oh, just open up a whole new link on Twitter. Okay, so due to new regulations regarding cryptocurrencies, Bitstamp. This is Bitstamp. So people in the Netherlands now have to KYC their withdrawal addresses. Due to new regulations regarding cryptocurrencies introduced by the Dutch government, we have made some changes to how cryptocurrency withdrawals work at Bitstamp. The new regulations require us to collect proof that you are the owner of any third-party wallet or exchange before you can withdraw crypto to it. This is not as complicated as it sounds. It simply means that before you can withdraw crypto from Bitstamp to an outside address, you have to add that address to your whitelist and provide a photo that proves this really is your address. You can do this from the Bitstamp webpage. Starting on February 15, January 21 at 12 o'clock UTC, withdrawal whitelist in your account has been automatically enabled. This means now that you now have to add each cryptocurrency address to your whitelist before you can send crypto to it. Whitelisting is a security feature which was already available at Bitstamp, but now it has become obligatory for all customers affected by the new regulations in the Netherlands. This also means that withdrawals from your Bitstamp account directly to third parties are no longer allowed. You have to withdraw crypto from Bitstamp to your own wallet first if you want to send it to any third parties. Thank you for your support in this matter. As a regulated exchange, Bitstamp Europe SA has been required to make these changes in order to continue serving you. However, we believe the solution we are implementing is as simple and easy to use as possible while ensuring the higher security standards for your assets. Whoa. This is big. Okay, so everybody has to remember to take your coins off of exchanges. Additionally, reports reportedly that Coinbase, a public US-based exchange, is also implementing requirements for users to provide recipient names, physical addresses, and the purpose of transfers. Okay, so there you have it. And then we have Bitcoin futures open interest tops $21 billion, highest since November 2021. While national open interest has surged, the overall leverage buildup is still relatively low. The The dollar value locked in open futures and perpetual futures contracts have topped the $21 billion mark for the first time since November 2021. Still, the overall leverage in the market remains low, indicating low odds of sudden liquidations induced price volatility. The notional open interest, or the dollar value locked in a number of open or active Bitcoin futures contracts, has risen to a 26-month high, according to CoinGlass. As of writing, open interest in perpetuals and standard futures stood at over $21 billion, with Bitcoin trading at $49,570 in the spot market. The open interest tally has increased 22% this year, nearing the record $24 billion seen in mid-November 2021 when Bitcoin traded above $65,000. The renewed interest in leveraged products like futures alongside a price rise represents an influx of new money on the bullish side and confirms the uptrend. Bitcoin has rallied 28% in just over 3 weeks, mainly due to strong inflows into the recently launched spot ETFs in the US. Leverage, however, magnifies both profits and losses. Hence, a notable rise in futures open interest is often viewed as a harbinger of price volatility. That said, the overall leverage in the market remains low, suggesting a low probability of sudden long buy positions, liquidations leading to a price crash. Liquidation refers to the forced closure of bullish long or bearish short positions by exchanges on account of a margin shortage. Mass liquidations are known to inject bullish-bearish volatility into the market. Bitcoin's estimated leverage ratio has recently ticked slightly higher from 0.18 to 0.20, but it is nowhere near the level seen in August last year, data from CryptoQuant showed. Besides, at 430,500 futures, open interest in BTC terms remains well below the peak of 660,000 reached in October 2022. Okay, so this is just talking about how there's more Bitcoin coming in, more interest in Bitcoin than before. I remember I saw like a Google Trends of somebody talking about how there's more interest in Bitcoin now more than ever. But remember, as demand for Bitcoin increases, the price will also rise. And as the price of Bitcoin increases, the people are able to buy Bitcoin will decrease. So there'll be less and less people buying Bitcoin as the price goes up because it's just getting so high. But that's a good thing because it means that this is a store of value. This is a store of energy. This is the energy that you have worked for in order for it to be stored. That's supposed to happen. The value of Bitcoin is supposed to rise because it's a store of value. Whereas the dollar is not a store of value because the value of the dollar never rises. Okay, this is a fun one. How DexToolsDegen turned $2,100 into $1 million and $1,074,000 in 7 days by spying on the world's top DEX traders. Maybe we can learn something from this. This is why I'm sharing, and I'm actually very interested. A self-proclaimed shitcoin degenerate combined 3 simple tools to build an espionage strategy that gave him real-time insights on the most profitable wallets on the Ethereum blockchain. He proceeded to profit just over 6 figures in a single week using it. The 3 tools in question, they are Dex Screener, AlphaTrace, and Cielo. Maybe this is promotion. I don't know if this guy's promoting these 3 tools in question, but let's keep reading. The following notes were gathered from OX Reflections X thread as well as a Telegram thread from DTD that has since been deleted. The strategy. This strategy works by identifying the highest performing wallets in crypto, tracking those wallets so we get notified as soon as they make a trade, and placing high conviction bets ourselves when we see multiple alpha wallets buy a live new pair. Dex Screener, specifically the top traders field of a trading coin, is where we can gather our initial list of wallets to plug into AlphaTrace. AlphaTrace is the secret sauce in this equation. Input any wallet and it gives you that wallet's precise win rate and total profit amount over a given time period. It might be the most useful tool in all of crypto. I inputted a wallet that was on the top traders list for Troll, and on AlphaTrace we can see it has a remarkably high 72% win rate and $5 million in realized profit. After using AlphaTrace to identify 15 to 20 extremely profitable wallets, 70 plus win rate and 100k plus profit month, we can input those wallets into Cielo's Telegram wallet tracker so we can get a Telegram notification as soon as they make a trade. Oh shit. With these top wallets being tracked, we have a great look into where smart money is headed on the blockchain. See multiple alpha wallets buying the same coin within 5 minutes of launch. Simply prepare to ride the insider pump and make an obscene amount of money. If you enjoyed this article, you can support me by signing up to AlphaTrace and giving me a follow. Thank you. I might actually look into that. Okay, everybody, so that was today's crypto news. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned something. I hope I was able to provide value. Like, share, subscribe, and see you tomorrow.